So this one is the Sony ZV-E10 with 16 to 70 at f4 plus 1 exposure, portrait profile, OIS Sony. And this one is the Panasonic S5, portrait profile at 20mm at f3.5. I'm using the Audio Technica 189912 with the Sony ZV-E10, which is a quite tiny microphone. And I'm using the Harmonic long microphone with the Panasonic S5. So which one have the better video quality? Do you like the color of the portrait profile of the Sony ZV-E10? I really have to expose by one exposure, like one stop. So +1 is the exposure, which is a sad part, to be honest with you. And the exposure on the Panasonic S5 is around, focus on me, what are you doing, focus? So yeah, now it's focus. So it's on 0. Which one have the better stabilization? Panasonic S5 with 20 to 60 IPS only. Which one have a better stabilization? So yeah, this is the Panasonic S5. I really like the color coming out of the Panasonic S5. I'm handling and walking. Or the Sony ZV-E10. Which one have a better color and better like? I also love my Panasonic S5, but sometimes the AF can be a little bit wonky, but the AF is great. So a lot of people say Panasonic AF is bad. If you compare the L mount, I think the AF is like very good for what it is. So let me know which one is the better video quality. This is OIS Sony. If I try to walk a little bit faster like this, that we turn 16 to 70. Panasonic S5 with 20 to 60. I'm holding the camera from the lens, trying to walk fast. Which one have the better video quality? Sony ZV-E10 or the Panasonic S5? Which one have the better bokeh? Let me know in the comment section box below. It was me, none other than Ramay. Make sure to check out outing channel. Also I'm teaching a skill share, I have to say. Bye.